Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can open Terabox video link without the app. So here, I'm going to show you the two ways on how you can do that. So first up, we're going to open up any browser here. And here, as you can see, I'm going to search for Terabox link, as you can see on the search box. And then you'll find this link here, Terabox downloader 100% working. So here you just have to tap on this first link right over here, which is the Terabox downloader. And here in this page, you just have to scroll down until you find the box right here. It says enter Terabox link here. So you just have to paste the Terabox video link and then tap on the download button. Now, the other way to basically download or get the video link is by going to your browser. For example, here I'm going to google.com, and then from here I'm going to change it into desktop view. So I'm going to tap on the bottom here and then tap on the three dots, and then from here select on request desktop website. Now once done, you just need to go to the URL box at the top or at the bottom, and then just have to paste the Terabox link or the video link. So you can basically open that link without using the application. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.